In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an ElevenLabs API key and fix common issues. First, go ahead and open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. Once you are inside the ElevenLabs dashboard, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click on Developer. This is where you will find tools and settings related to API access and integrations. After that, select the API keys option from the sidebar. This section is where you can create and manage the keys that allow your apps, automations, or external tools to connect to ElevenLabs securely. Next, click Create API Key. You will be asked to give the key a name. Choose something simple and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. Especially if you plan to create more than one key for different projects. You may also see optional restrictions such as a character limit toggle if needed. You can enable those restrictions based on how you plan to use the key. Once everything looks good, click Create Key. Your new API key will appear. And at this point, you should copy it right away and store it somewhere secure, since API keys are sensitive credentials. Be careful not to share them publicly or paste them into unsecured places. Now let's talk about fixing common ElevenLabs API issues. When an API request fails, the response usually includes a standard HTTP status code. These codes help you understand what went wrong so you can fix the problem faster. If you see a 401 error with the type invalid API key, the most common cause is a typo, an extra space, or a key that has been deleted. In this case, regenerate the key if necessary and paste it carefully without any added spaces. If you get a 401 error with missing API key, that usually means the header is missing or your variable wasn't set correctly. Make sure your API key is being passed through the exe API key header exactly as required. A 402 error with insufficient credits means you've run out of monthly credits. To resolve that, upgrade your plan or add more quota to continue making requests. If the error is 403 with model access denied, the model you are trying to use is likely restricted on your current subscription tier. The fix is to switch to a model available on your plan or upgrade your subscription. For a 429 error with rate limit exceeded, your requests are being sent too quickly. A good solution is to implement an exponential backoff retry loop, so your system waits progressively longer between retries. And if you see 429 with concurrent limit exceeded, that means too many requests are running at the same time. To fix it, queue your requests so they process sequentially instead of all at once. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.